Hi dear friends, how are you? This is Tariqul Islam comes again with a new episode of my continuous parenting series vlog. Today is the 42nd episode and you know that this is the part 5 of my continuous episode series. Here I am discussing about the colleging parts. And now today I will discuss another issue related with colleging, that is try to be friend of your college going babies. This is actually a instruction video for the parents, guardians of the babies when they grown up and start to go to college. We know that childs are grown up under the control of the guardians, especially their father and mothers. Sometimes elder brother and sister also be the guardian of the childs. So when they grown up, they are under control of their guardians. They have to obey the guardians, and the guardians have to push some instruction, direction and order to their child. But when they are at the teenage, at later teenage, when they start to go to school and college especially, then they create a own dimension, a own imagination world. And on that world they always dislike that anybody will interfere, anybody will order, anybody will insist them to do anything. They try to create own domain, own border, and they don't give any access in their border except their friends. So in that stage some guardians and parents do mistake. They don't try to understand about their horizon, their boys' horizon, their girls' horizon. So they push them, insist them unexpectedly, and it creates a mental distance between the child and parents. So at first when you are a parent, either father or mother or any other guardian of a boy or girl who is started going to school, college, then you have to understand this point, that it is a milestone for the babies, that their horizon is expanding, their border is expanding, and they allow somebody, restrict somebody on that border. So whenever you will understand this issue, you will be able to try to enter the horizon, and the best way to enter on their world is being friend. Whenever you will try to become a friend of your boy or girls, then it will be very easy to enter on their world, on their horizon. And then you will be also a member, a citizen of their world, of their virtual world or mental world. Then they will give you priority and they will share many things, their problems, their likes, dislikes, their thinkings with you. And when they will share it spontaneously with you, you will be relaxed that they are on your control. If any boys or girls don't try to share their feelings, their thoughts, their likes, dislikes and other things that is happening on their mind, then you have to be concerned that they are hiding themselves from you. They are beyond your control. So you have to enter on their world if you want to control them and want the betterment of your boy and girls. So this is the best way that you will become a friend of your son or daughter and enter their world. After entering their world, you have to think like themselves. If you think like a elder person, then your thinking level and their thinking level will not match. One will upward and one will downward, and the gap created will create a distinction, a difference, a distance from you to your baby. So you have to think like a teenager, how teenagers react, how teenagers like, dislike many things, why they like, dislike, and how they act and react in different incidents. If you can understand and feel that, you will be able to react like themselves. And when you will react on like themselves, then they will welcome you easily and express their inner feelings, inner thinkings with you. Then you will be informed their criticalities, their problems repeatedly, consequently. because in the teenage they create a lot of problems on the mind of the babies. So if you don't be informed about these problems, you will not be able to solve them. And sometimes this problem, many problems is compiled, integrated and create a major problems, like sometimes they become mental disorder or many other mental problems, or sometimes they be engaged with some incidents like addiction or any terrorism or many other things. It's actually not happened suddenly. It has some consequences. So whenever you will find the problem on its early age, you will be able to solve it. But if you ignore it or don't notice it in the primary stage, then it will enhance the problem day by day, and it will create a big problem that will become beyond your control. So my suggestion on today's video for every guardian, for every parents, that try to become a friend of your baby rather than a guardian of your baby, and try to enter on their mental world and match your feelings with their feelings consciously, and try to get informations about their inner feelings, what is happening on their mind every times. So thank you very much. Today I am finishing my video. I am welcoming you for watching my other videos related with parenting issue, so that you can apply it in your real life and be benefited. Bye.